Alright, so I just got my vixen horn in the mail yesterday off Amazon for like 34 bucks. And yes, this base is very cheap and flimsy. But I guess for what I'm going to do with it, it'll work just fine. I hooked it directly to my battery and it's like full, you know, on or just off, and touching the wire back and forth, you know, is kind of cheesy. So I had an old drill motor, battery drill motor, that the gear stripped out on, the clutch mechanism. So I pulled out this is the speed controller. There's the little finger trigger. That's where the battery normally connects, down there. Now with this speed controller, of course that's not full throttle. I guess I can try it full throttle here real quick, just for a second. So that's it. My vixen horn off of Amazon and an old drill motor, DC speed controller basically. And that's what I got. All right, thanks.